Well, this video will now take you through 3 practical methods to recover lost iPhone photos without backup. Part 1. Scenarios for iPhone photo loss. Accidental deletion, iOS downgrade, iOS update failure, factory settings, jailbreak, iPhone broken. Part 2. Recover iPhone photos without backup from recently deleted folder. The easiest way to retrieve lost iPhone photos without backup is through the recently deleted folder, in which the photos will be stored for 30 days before disappearing forever. Part 3. Recover lost iPhone photos without backup using Finder. Recover lost iPhone photos from Finder on Maco's Catalina 10.15 or Big Sur 11. Choose search location using 3 tags. Select deleted photos. Move to desired folder. Part 4. Recover deleted photos from iPhone without backup via professional tool. You may find that the deleted photos can't be found in the iPhone recently deleted folder, and your Mac won't display them either. At this point, you can directly turn to a secure tool like iPhone Data Recovery to restore iPhone photos without backup via iPhone Data Recovery. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to a computer. Step 2. Preview and select your lost pictures. Step 3. Recover deleted photos from iPhone without backup.